I'm Bianca, Columbia Dining's registered dietitian. Today, Columbia Dining and the Food Pantry at Columbia have teamed up to bring you a recipe that is budget-friendly, delicious, and easy to prepare. We're making coconut curry lentils using a crock pot. If you don't have a crock pot at home, I highly recommend finding one, but you can make this recipe without one on the stovetop. The benefit of a crock pot is that it limits the amount of pots and pans that you have to clean and also limits the time that you're waiting at that stovetop. Let's get started. First, add all the ingredients to the crock pot. 2 cups of red lentils, 1 sweet potato, 4 carrots, 1 yellow onion, 2 15-ounce cans of crushed tomatoes, 3 tablespoons of curry powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, 2 cloves of garlic, 3 cups of vegetable broth, and 1 can of coconut milk. Then mix to combine. Cook on high for 4 hours. You'll know the lentils are ready when they're soft and have absorbed most of the liquid. I recommend serving with brown rice or even a side of whole wheat naan. Here they are, our coconut curry lentils. For more information about the Food Pantry at Columbia, reach out here. See you in the dining halls.